Hey guys, so now it's 6:30 in the morning. I'm joined with Muzi. We're at Tiong Bahru and we're gonna shoot some street. This is my first shoot after 3 months. I've been wanting to do this POV style video for very long and I didn't get a chance to do so. So I'm gonna try it now. I have two cameras with me. One is my A7iii. I'm shooting on a 28-75 and I have two other lenses, the 85mm and the 20mm. And I also have a film camera with me. I don't have the best luck with film, but I'm just gonna try it if the opportunity arises. So yeah, hope this shoot goes well and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Wow, haven't done this in so long, my heart's pumping so quickly. Oh damn, what is it? What? 50? 1.4 the Sony one.
No, this one. No, the Zyder.
Holy shit. I didn't know of that. They have that.
You're going?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, we're actually not that early.
No.
The market is like...
Nothing.
Yeah. Oh, that was a nice shot.
Yeah. And we are.
Have you... Do you think the people will be nice?
I'm sure they will. I never saw here. You get shot.
No one can see like our smiles. So, like the eyes just like go up a tiny bit. It's chill. Nice. Oh, you still have the touch. I'm out of touch already. It's so hard to interact. Yeah, right? Plus, like, my Chinese is damn bad. So I also don't want to strike up a conversation because I can't hold it. It's interesting, they don't really care.
I think they're too mini. Holy shit.
Bananas. Colors very nice. What focus setting are you using?
Continuous focus. I think of focus area using the expandable flexible stand. Outside there's like a few shops. Then the uncle very nice.
Is it? Should I ask? Or should I just take? Uncle 拍照可以吗 ？Okay, thank you, 谢谢。 生意好吗？生意好吗？
生意
差了啊，因为那个货币啦。
因为他成不开了嘛。
啊。
他没有开就有生意啦。
OK
现在
OK
有生意了啦。
OK， 谢谢啊。Look at me trying to use my Chinese skills. Do you know how tough that was to hold a conversation?
I can relate because I can't speak over.
I had to pre-plan my whole conversation.
You got one of them.
Huh? So we're done shooting the market. It's a pretty interesting experience shooting street with a mask on because we can't really interact with the people. Like usually I'll give them a smile to see whether they're fine with shooting, but this one we really have to take the risk and hope that they're okay. And then I think just shooting the subject without striking a conversation or giving a smile wouldn't give you the best feeling because you feel pretty distant from them. So it's kind of weird, but yeah, I would really love to speak to them more, but my Mandarin sucks. So
And mine is non-existent.
yeah, he's Malay, by the way, if you haven't realized. So yeah, now we're heading out to shoot because it's blue hour and then light is starting to come out. I'm trying to get places. Oh, what's this? I'm trying to get places where people will just relax.
Oh, right. Yeah.
You know, like old uncles just chilling doing their stuff.
Got it. You see there's a concept. The mirror inside, right?
Yep. My concept is also to shoot not just human objects but stuff that I don't know, vibes that shows Tiong Bahru. This restaurant is very nice. Artsy shot. Let's go. Yeah. I'm so out of touch. There we go. Let's go. Beautiful, very hard to focus. We're done shooting for today. It's pretty nice to be back after 3 months. Haven't done this in so long, and yeah, it's good to get some practice. Pretty rusty, but I think it's still decent considering that I haven't shot in 3 months. Now we are going to Tiong Bahru Bakery to grab some breakfast, and then after that I'll head home. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, do consider subscribing, and yeah, I'll catch you next time.